egg diet for weight loss. Breakfast: at least 2 eggs, along with 1 serving of a non-starchy vegetable, like tomato or asparagus. Also have a 1 low-carb fruit, such as grapefruit. Lunch and dinner should consist of non-starchy vegetables and either eggs or a small serving of another type of lean protein like chicken or fish. Exercise is not required. However, light physical activity like biking, aerobics, or speed walking can maximize results. Foods to avoid: starchy vegetables, potatoes, sweet potatoes, legumes, corn, and peas. High-carb fruits, bananas, pineapples, mangoes, and dried fruit. Grains, bread, pasta, quinoa, couscous, buckwheat, and barley. Processed foods, bacon, convenience meals, fast food, chips, pretzels, cookies, and sweets. Sugar sweetened beverages, soda, juice, sweet tea, and sports drinks. Check the description to see where to find these products. Subscribe for more natural tips.